Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So those of you guys who are new to this channel, hi, my name is Nidhi and I make videos related to beauty, lifestyle and productivity. So in this channel, I basically upload videos related to productivity, lifestyle and mindset kind of a video. And on my first channel that is known as Roshni Frame, where I upload beauty and other lifestyles, vlogs and all. So if you're interested in all these contents, then you can subscribe to both of my channel. And now coming on today's video, so in today's video I'm going to do a ink bucket haul, and that is 2022 collections. So actually the brand sent their products back in November itself to me, and I am quite a bit late to show this to you all guys. So I'm very sorry to all of you, and let's just get into the video. Okay, so the very first thing is their 2022 calendar, and this is quite similar from all their previous years one. So let me open this. So this is how it looks like, and let me open it for you all. It's from Obi, you guys. Actually मैंने इसे कितनी बार खोल के देख चुकी हूँ. So this is how it looks like, and basically in this year's calendar it just have all those wildlife prints. So you can see this, it's called January, and see, basically it have all those wildlife prints in this calendar. So yeah, Ink Bucket all make calendar as an appointment calendar, right? So you will also get these blocks where you can write your appointments, or you can mark your any important date and all. And once you are done with this calendar, you can also tear this prints and you can decorate it in your rooms and all. What I'm going to do is, when I'm done with this calendar, I'm going to separate these prints and I'm going to stick it on my wall or use it as a wallpaper or something. So yeah, this is how I'm going to use this. Actually, I wanted to see the December one, how they have provided, because last year ke calendar mein they had made such a lovely print in December. Let me check it out, you guys. Where is December?
6.5 hours later.
Oh no, I wanted this December print to be more of a Christmassy sort of, but it's okay. I'm happy with it. I have this Dex calendar as well. This is how it looks like, and let me open it. So this is how it looks like, you guys, and I think this will look more aesthetic on my study table. So this is how it looks like. Let me. Oh wow, you can also mark your important dates or your appointments over here, and also it has note section. तो वहाँ पे आप कोई birthday या फिर कोई special day या फिर कोई day जो आपको याद रखना है, you can write it over here so that it will always be in front of you on your study table. So I think they thought really good in it, and this is very minimal. Oh my god, you guys, have a look on December calendar prints. This is so nice. This is what I wanted in my wall calendar as well, but this is nice. Look at it. Actually, to be very honest, I am liking this calendar way too much than the wall calendar, because their prints is just so wow and minimal, and I think I'm going to use this much more than the wall calendar, right? So yeah. So this is how all the prints look like. Let me show this to you all. It was so this is how their next calendar look like, and I am seeing myself using way too much than the wall one. Yes, also they have sent me some of their freebies. So the very first freebie is this pouch. You guys can see this is so minimal and so aesthetic. The quality is just amazing, and I can carry it to anywhere, and this will look so cool, so chic and so boho sort. Boho to nahi lagega, but still it will look way too much cool, because I just love her friend Yarvin. He makes the best planner in all over India, bro. So yeah, I'm liking this. And guys, let me tell you one thing, their quality is so soft, so nice, so just loving it. So this is their one of the freebies, and you will also get a pouch. Basically it is a pencil pouch. So it is also made of clothes. Their quality ये भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट है एंड it is actually very much spacious, but I think I'm not going to use it as a pencil pouch because मैं बहुत ही गंदा कर देती हूँ, सब कुछ गंदा कर देती हूँ. मैंने फ़ोन कवर लिया, उसको भी मैंने पेन से पूरा गंदा कर दिया. मेरे बैग गंदे होते हैं क्योंकि मेरी आदत ही नहीं है पेन में ढक्कन लगा के रखने की, तो मैं इसको गंदा कर दूँगी. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू यूज़ इट एज अ पेंसिल पाउच. मैं इसमें कुछ अपने मेकअप भी नहीं रखूँगी, हेयर क्लिप्स, इयररिंग्स ये सब रखूँगी. I'll see it and I'll figure it out how to use it. But this is so cute. Look at their prints, you guys. So nice. And also, please forgive my nails. So yeah, you will also get this one. मैंने अभी तक ये यूज़ नहीं किया, but I am dying to use this on my table. मैं बस इस haul video के लिए इसे मैंने बचा के रखा था. But now after making this video, I'm going to use it as a poster on my table. So I'm pretty much excited for this one. This is so nice, you guys. You'll also get this, and उसके साथ साथ ये भी था यार. Wait, वो गिर गया.
2,000 years later.
And apart from this, you will also get these cards. Let me open it out for you all, guys. I haven't opened it till yet. So they have given me these cards, like these are the prints. I'm loving their prints. Oh my god, their painting is just so wow. And see, this is all her handmade paintings. You can feel the colors and everything. So yeah, this is how it looks like. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So basically you are going to get 4 cards and you can place it on your table like this. For example, my mood is this, so I can put it like this on my table. I'm visualizing right now that my study table is going to look way too much productive, way too much nicer while I'm going to use all these text calendar, these cards and this poster. I'm just visualizing that I'm going to be quite a bit productive in 2022. It's just because of this ink bucket collection, I think. And if you know me, you know that I'm the queen of procrastination. So I'm very much excited for 2022 just to use all those things the entire 2022 range. I haven't used a single thing till now, although these all things were with me from November itself. And I was trying to use all these things and I'm still trying to use all these things. But I will use it in 2022, although dine kitne bache hain. So pretty much excited for this, and let me know in the comment section how many of you are excited for your 2022. And now we are heading on to the final part, and I know all of you are excited for this, and that is our 2022 planner. Wait, this is Ulta. Okay, so this is our 2022 planner. This is how it looks like, and this time they had a cardboard box like that. Last time it was I think magnetic box, I guess. So this is how it looks like, and I will open it like this, and this is your 2022 planner. So this is how it looks like, and also you are going to get a sticker book free. So this is also one of their freebies, by the way. If you order this planner right now, then also I think you are going to get this sticker book for free. I'm not sure about all those freebies, but you are going to get this sticker book for free. So this is how it looks like, you guys. Have a look. And I was trying to get stickers, and I love stickers, you guys. This is so nice. Have a look. By the way, I'm going to give a flip through of this planner in detail. So yeah, this is how it looks like. This is so nice, so sleek, so minimal. So yeah, and I think this is how it looks like. The whole print and a note to 2022, and there is a note of 2022. And also you guys can use this box as well for any other purpose. I think you guys can store your stationery or your makeup or your accessories in this box. I am planning to use it as my accessory box. Like I'm going to store all my jewelry in this because this is quite big, and I'm going to buy a separator and I'm going to use it like this for my jewelry and all, because you know what, I had so many chote boxes for my jewelries. Like they are different for earrings and different for my hair accessories, different for my necklace, for my watches. So I'm going to use it as my jewelry box. This is so hard. So yeah. Alright guys, so that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you really did, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know in the comment section which planner you are planning to buy this year for the 2022, of course. Subscribe to my first YouTube channel, that is Roshni the Frame. I will provide its link down in the description, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, and let me know, did you guys liking my Vlogmas video or not? Please do let me know. And yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay happy and stay positive. Bye bye.